In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication in your Instagram account. So first, you have to open Instagram and go to your profile page. Once you're here, click on the three lines which are on the top right. Then just click on Account Center and you have to go to Password and Security. Then here, select two-factor authentication. Then select the account for which you want to disable it. So it's my Instagram account. And here they're saying that two-factor authentication is on. But now, to disable it, under how you get your login codes, just select the option. So for me, it's SMS or WhatsApp, but it could be different for you. So just select this, and here you can see this bar that's currently enabled. But now if I click on it, this has come. Turn off two-factor authentication. And then just click on turn off, that's written below. And now it's done. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to hide chats on Instagram, check out this video over here. Goodbye.